Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Realme GT Neo 2. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's a bit hidden in the box. So at first you have to remove this plastic here where the phone has been in, and then we have to remove the cable, and here we will have the SIM ejection tool. Okay, so let us remove it. Just flap the wing stand here. So, but otherwise you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. And if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now we will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip to enter it. Please take care. Next to the SIM tray there's also another hole, but this is the microphone. So please take care. So take now the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and go with the edge here in the hole of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So this SIM tray you are able to insert two SIM cards, one on the top and if you want a second one here below. So, and there's also written SIM1 here at the symbol for the SIM card, and also here SIM2, so to recognize where you have to place it. Okay, let's start with the first SIM card. It goes here like this. Okay, so you will hear a little click noise if it's entered. And the contacts are below, as you can see. And the SIM card has also a missing corner. And it fits only like this here with the missing corner on the missing corner. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card here on the other side where it's written SIM2. Okay, it's additional of course, so let us enter it also. Same size. And you will hear also a little click noise. Also here missing corner, missing corner. And as you can see, the contacts are also here on the top. It only fits like this. Yeah, if you're ready, just put your construction with one or two SIM cards back into the phone. So the hole is here on the corner, as you can see. And close it well. And that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.